Hello everyone. So far we've been looking at how to make a scratch game called Jungle Jumping. We've done different aspects of it, creating the sprite, causing it to jump, creating an obstacle, and today we'll be adding more obstacles. But before we do that, let's backtrack a little bit and go to the original sprite, the bear. What am I doing? I'm trying to place a situation whereby when the hedgehog sprite is crossing the bear, there will be no obstacles. There will be no need for the bear to, because once in a while the code gets entangled. So I want to stop that from happening. I go to the original sprite being the bear. I go to motion. When I go to motion, I can go to XY position. But before then, let's have the sprite. Let's have the bear sprite here already. I will now move the sprite this way. When I move it this way, I can go to XY because it's already at the position I want it to be. So that once the game is started, the bear sprite can be at the position we want it to be already. Go to XY and have the code already in the appropriate place. When I'm done with that, I'll go to events, take when clicked, place it here. So that once our game is started, the sprite is already in the right position and we can play it. Look. Alright, sorry about that. Alright. So this bear sprite begins in the right position. The hedgehog sprite moves to the other position from the opposite position, all in the right proportion. Now we can get into duplicating it because it doesn't make sense that the hedgehog sprite being the obstacle we want. We can now replicate it by duplicating the obstacle. How do we do this? We return this to this position, go to the hedgehog, right click on it, click on duplicate. Now we have two hedgehog sprites with the same coding, with the same set of command codes. We go to the second sprite. Go to the second sprite, we go to wait for 1 second and we place it. We go to wait for 1 second and place it under the green flag of the control. Okay, and we go to looks for our hide because we want the second sprite to hide first before coming out. Sorry, let's align this over here. We go to hide, place it above here, go to show, place it under here, and once we click our sprites, what happens? Okay, this is entangled. We can move this out of here. Once we click our sprite, what happens? What happens when we click our sprites? I see there's trouble with it. Okay, since we are having a little trouble with jumping, we can go to bear and increase the speed by 25. And have this at minus 25. Minus 25. Click it and let's. Okay, but as you can see, the sprites are still double, which means we didn't have the right command codes on the correct sprite. So we return this to their normal position. Delete codes we had for here. Delete. Stop this. So we replicate the previous action on the second hedgehog, which is what we are supposed to work on. That means we go to controls. Wait 1 second, place it over here. Looks. We are dealing with height first, so we look for height. Place it above here. Take show. Place it underneath. And let's play our game to see what happens. I think we still have an error. Probably the game is tangled. Split game is download. And we remove this. So the difficulty we are having is the sprites. Both sprites are not moving where they are supposed to. They are both coming together. So we should probably have this on here. Go to events, go to controls, stop the sprite from moving. Wait 1 second, place it here. Go to looks, hide, yeah, show underneath. Wait 1 second, plate. So it comes simultaneously. And that's that. So that is how you duplicate hedgehog sprite or whatever sprite you used initially. This is how you duplicate the sprite and cause them to move differently as you jump. Join us in the next class as we find out how to play score, so that whenever you jump over a particular game, you can have a score recorded for you. Thank you so much.